Hello everybody, welcome to our class of learning mathematical concepts. So in our last class we have learned how to solve the identity of determinant and we have solved some important question of the exercise 4.2. Now we will continue and our next topic is application of determinant to the coordinate geometry. And in this topic we will be studying first the area of triangle. We have already learned in class 10th area of triangle when the coordinate of the vertices of triangle are given. See, I have made one triangle and the coordinate of the vertex A is x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3. And we know that to find the area of this triangle it is half the modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this formula we already knew and we have done it in the class 10th. But this formula can also be obtained if we find the expansion of the determinant. That means the area of triangle can also be obtained if I write the coordinate in the determinant form as the first coordinate x1, y1 and then put 1, because the determinant is calculated for the square matrix. So we write first coordinate x1 y1 and then we write 1 here. Then second coordinate is x2 y2 and then 1, and the third one is x3 y3 and then 1. Why we have written this one? Because in order to make it as a square matrix, so if I do the expansion of this determinant, I will get the same formula as written above. Let us see the expansion. Half to as it is. Now I am writing the absolute, because determinant can have the value in negative as well as positive, but here the area can't be negative, so we will take the absolute value of the expansion. You can see that if I expand it along this first column, so this will be x1, then deleting this particular row and column, so we will be getting what? Y2 cross multiplication, y2 into 1 y2 minus y3, right? Then comes x2, that because it is in the odd place, so I'll be writing minus x2, deleting this particular row and column, so y1 minus y3, and then the third one is x3, then deleting this particular row and column, so this will be y1 minus y2, right? So this half as it is, then this expression is exactly matching with the first one, so I'll be writing as it is y2 minus y3. Then here it is minus and there it is plus, so if I bring minus sign common from this bracket, so it will become plus x2, and then this will change, expression within the bracket will change like y3 minus y1, so this will now exactly matches with this second expression of the equation there above there, you can see. And the third one remaining as it is, so y1 minus y2. So now you can see that this expression exactly matches with the expression which we have already learned in our class 10. So this is one of the application of the determinant, ki by writing the vertices of the triangle in the form of a determinant with the first vertex as x1 y1, second x2 y2 and x3 y3 as the third vertex, and then the third column we will be writing 1, because if I write 1 then only the expansion will matches exactly with this one. That is why 1 is written here, right? Now I'll explain this formula by an example, and here we are required to find the area of triangle whose vertices are given a, b, c as shown here. So as we noted, now we can use the determinant. So area of triangle a, b, c will be half into magnitude of the determinant, in which the first row will be 5, 4 and then 1, and the second row we will write the second vertex, that is minus 2, 4 and then 1, and the third row by the third vertex 2, minus 6 and 1, right? Now if we expand this determinant, so we will be getting what? Half the outside. Then we will have to find the absolute value of the expansion of this determinant. So that is why I am writing this mark absolute value. And why we are taking absolute value? Because we know that area of triangle can't be negative. So expanding it along the, suppose the first row, so 5 into 4 minus of minus 6 become plus 6. Then second element is 4, so we'll write minus 4 because of odd position, deleting this particular row and column. So minus 2 and then again minus 2 and then plus 1 into 12 minus 8. Right, you all know how to expand the determinant. So let us now find half. 5 into 10, this become 10, so this is 50. Then minus 2 into minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, and minus 4 into minus become plus, so 4 4 is 16. And then here 12 minus 8 is 4, 4 into 1 is 4, right? So this will be half into absolute value of this becomes 70. 70 already it is positive, so this is half of 70, and half of 70 is 35. So 35 square units is the area of this triangle. So this is one of the application of the determinant. When we know the vertices of triangle, so we can find the area of triangle by writing it in the determinant form and then doing the simple expansion of determinant, right? Now the second application is to get the condition of collinearity of the 3 points. If A, B and C are the 3 points with the coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 in a plane, then these 3 points will be collinear. If these 3 points are collinear, that means they will lie on the same line. So I am writing, if these points are collinear, then triangle will not be formed. ट्राइंगल बनेगा ही नहीं. इसका मतलब क्या हो जाएगा कि एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए बी सी विल बी 0 because the three vertex will coincide in a common line. So therefore there will be no triangle. So area of triangle will be 0, and this implies that कि half x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 and 1 will be 0. इसका मतलब हाफ को अगर मैं क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगा तो अपने पास कंडीशन क्या आ जाएगी, x1 y1 1, x2 y2 and then 1, x3 y3 and 1. तो दिस विल बी द रिक्वायर्ड कंडीशन. इस कंडीशन में आपके पास कि ये अपने पास कंडीशन हो जाएगी कि इफ द डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ द formed by these 3 points x1 y1 1 and x2 y2 1 and x3 y3 1 is 0, in that case these 3 points a b c will be collinear, right? Now the third application is to find the equation of a line passing through the two given point. Let a and b with the coordinate x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the 2 points. So we have taken a and b and as the 2 point with the coordinates, and let us find the equation of line passing through this point, these 2 points. So a and b are the 2 points and we have drawn one line, and we are required to find the equation of this line. So for this we will take a variable point. Suppose I take a variable point p with the coordinate x and y. This is a variable point, so the coordinate is x comma y. Now you can see that as these 3 points a b c are lying on the same line, so therefore these 3 points P, A and B are collinear, and we have just now learned the condition for collinear. So since P, A, B are collinear points, so therefore the condition was, फर्स्ट पॉइंट अपन ये ले लेते हैं, तो x y 1, सेकेंड पॉइंट ये हो गया x1 y1 1 एंड x2 y2 1. तो देयरफॉर द डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ दिस शुड बी 0. तो ये इसको अपन जब एक्सपेंशन कर लेंगे इस डिटरमिनेंट का, तो x y में एक इक्वेशन बनेगी एंड दैट विल बी द रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ द line passing through A, B given point, right? Now we'll take one more question. If the point with the coordinate 2 comma minus 3, lambda comma minus 1 and 3 comma 4 are collinear, then find the value of lambda. So we know the condition for the collinearity of the 3 points. So what we have to do? We will apply the condition for the collinearity. Since 3 given points are collinear, that means area, or instead of area we will directly apply the condition. So the condition of the collinearity is 2 minus 3 1, lambda minus 1 1, 3 4 and 1. The determinant of these 3 points will be 0. Now this means when we expand, suppose we expand along the first row, so this is 2 into minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 4, then changing sign of this 3 to plus 3 into, ये अपन साइन चेंज कर दिया तो क्या हो जाएगा, ये लैम्डा माइनस 3 प्लस 1 इंटू 4 लैम्डा माइनस ऑफ माइनस प्लस 3. This should be the absolute value of this should be 0. So on expanding you will get 2 into minus 5 plus 3 lambda minus 9 plus 4 lambda plus 3 equal to 0. So this will be minus 10. 3 lambda and 4 lambda becomes 7 lambda minus 9, this become minus 6 is equal to 0. Or we can say that 7 lambda minus 16 is equal to 0, or lambda is equal to 16 upon 7. So this way we get the required answer. Okay, now we will see one more question. Question number 3. Find the equation of a line joining the point A 1 comma 3 B 0 0 using determinant, because it is mentioned here that we have to use the concept of determinant. Otherwise we can do it by the concept which we have learned in class 11th of a straight line, you know, the determinant. And also find the value of k if D is a point such that area of triangle ABD is 3 square unit. So there are 2 questions attached to it. Let us do solution. So we have to find the equation of line 5 passing through the point AB. So let P with the coordinate x comma y is a variable point on line AB, right? So therefore we know that key, then what are they, then points P, A, B will be collinear. इसका मतलब collinear condition क्या है? So this implies that the point x, y1, determinant of x, y1, and the first 1, 3, 0, 0, 0, and 1. 3, 1, 3, 1 and 0, 0, 1 will be 0. So expanding along row 3, we can direct, because the 2 elements of row 3 are 0. So we can, what we can get, this deleting this. So x into 3, 3x minus y equal to 0 will be the required equation. Okay, so this way we get, this is the required equation. 3x minus y equal to 0 is the required equation of AB. Now the second part is, if D with the coordinate k comma 0 is a point on this line, find the value k if D is a point such that area of triangle ABD is 3 square unit. area of triangle ABD will be half into magnitude of the modulus. A के कोऑर्डिनेट है क्या है 1 3 1, फिर B का क्या हो जाएगा, B का 0 0 1 एंड इसके हम लिया K 0 1 और ये किसके बराबर है, जैसे गिवन एज 3 स्क्वायर यूनिट यानी 3 के बराबर है। तो ये हाफ को मैं क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगा, इसका एक्सपेंशन करूंगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, पहले इसको तो हाफ ऐसे लिया, एक्सपेंडिंग अलोंग रो 2, ये रो 2 के दो एलिमेंट 0 है तो क्या हो जाएगा, ये कौन सा पोजीशन है, ऑड पोजीशन है, तो ऑड पोजीशन में साइन चेंज हो जाएगा तो -1 इंटू ये रो कॉलम डिलीट, तो 1 इंटू 0 0 -3k शुड बी इक्वल टू 3, इसको उधर ले गए तो ये हो गया मॉडुलस ऑफ ये 0, ये हो गया 3k शुड बी 6, मॉडुलस हटाएंगे तो 3k विल बी इक्वल टू ±6। तो और फिर k की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, k विल बी ±2। तो ये आपको ध्यान रखना है कि अगर अपन ये मॉडुलस लगा है तो मॉडुलस हटाने के लिए राइट हैंड साइड में प्लस माइनस साइन और लगा लेना है, इससे अपने पास दो वैल्यू आएगी, तो या तो +2 या -2। तो ऐसे छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट में 1 मार्क्स और 2 मार्क्स की कैटेगरी में, तो इट कैन बी डन वेरी इजीली। ओके क्लास, तो फिर हम अगले टॉपिक पे हम अगली क्लास में मिलेंगे।